How we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. I need y'all's help looking at this knife I found at a yard sale today. I like to try to figure out the date on this, or an approximate date. It's Opinel No. 7. It does not have a locking ring on it. Don't know if it had one originally or not. Underneath the number 7 there, it says depose, or however that's pronounced in French. There's no sort of stamp on the handles. Couldn't see anything anywhere. According to the information on this one chart that I could find, this knife could date anywhere from 1909 through like 1967, that era. So any of you guys who are experts on Opinel, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think on the date. Until I see you again, have yourselves a beautiful day.